Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city. Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city. You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. Enough, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle. The robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house. into a robot.
The wrecking bandits will strike again!
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together. Morphle, morph into a motorcycle.
And the new champion of the world is... a little kid? Tell us, little girl, is this the most happy moment of your life?
No, Morphle and I think there are lots of things more important than winning.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, people of Earth!
Wow!
We are gathering the fastest racers from every planet to compete in the first motorcycle Grand Prix of the universe. And you are clearly the fastest on this planet. Follow us.
Morphle, morph into a space bike. Watch out, Morphle! A meteorite!
Great move. Meteorites are the most dangerous thing a space biker can come across. Get ready. Set.
Great, Morphle! We're winning! Oh no! Look, Morphle! Comets! Lots of them! Well done, Morphle! We're gonna win!
Ah!
Oh no! Look, Morphle!
Oh! Oh! Yeah, ah!
Morphle, some things are more important than winning. We have to go save them.
Oh!
Morphle, add a sidecar to the bike.
Thank you for saving me, Mila. And Morphle. Unfortunately, you lost the race because you helped me.
That's That's okay. Some things are more important than winning awards.
Well, you might not have won an award, but there is something else you won.
Oh?
My friendship. Come with me. I will show you around in space.
Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, ice cream man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman, look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle, they're going over the bridge. Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them.
are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Morphle, morph into an excavator.
The yearly water balloon beach castle competition is about to start. Kids against parents. Start building your sandcastles now. The castles are done. Now get out your water balloons.
Our castle is great. We are going to win.
Yeah, they're just little kids.
That was amazing! The kids win this award!
Haha, congratulations, kids. You won fair and square.
Let's play in the castle some more. Can I hold the award now, Morphle?
Look, Pirate Phil. It's a treasure.
So?
So, we are pirates, Pirate Phil. And what do pirates love? That's right, treasures.
But they have a giant sandcastle, Pirate Maurice.
Yes, but we have a water balloon cannon.
Let's get them, guys. Balloons, Morphle. Dig a hole for me to sneak out. you keep fixing the castle, I'll go get the water balloons. Daddy, we need more water balloons. The pirates won our award.
We don't have any more water balloons.
But we can fill up these with water.
Yeah, or this.
The treasure is almost ours! Huh? Pirate Phil! Fire the water cannon!
I would love to have the chance to photograph a real live Tyrannosaurus.
Morphle, morph into a time machine.
Look, Mila and Morphle, a herd of gallimimus.
Wow! There's something in the bushes!
Ankylosauruses. Hey, my camera! There he is! This is my chance. Ah, my camera.
This map tells us where we can find a hidden treasure. It should be right here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Morphle! Yay! Look, Morphle! Dolphins! And there's a whale! Those are jellyfish. Watch out, Morphle! Jellyfish sting! That's Neptune, the king of the sea. Now where is that treasure? We found it, Morphle! Yippee!
We'll take that.
Oh no!
Thank you for finding us this treasure.
Go after them, Morphle! Oh no! Uh-oh! a little mermaid. Oh no! Yay!
What's going on here?
Whoa!
There you are.
Sorry, lad. No hard feelings, aye? Oh!